See, why can't it feel like this for Renfest? It's so much better than dying of heat stroke. Hey, babe.